Hi friends, you are watching Winning Ways Training Consultancy. I am Pankaj Shrivastava and this is the ninth episode of Heart to Heart Discussion. Today friends, I'm going to talk about how in this pandemic situation you can chart your career. Because a lot of people, they are without job, they are looking out for newer opportunities and in this situation, what are the ways in which you can actually get the job and chart out a new career path? Some of my thoughts I'm going to share with you. Friends, I believe that instead of feeling frustrated with this current situation, this is the best time when you should upskill yourself, because you see, when large number of people are vying for that one or two jobs, then obviously as a HR manager, he would like to have the best possible talent. So in this situation, therefore, it is very very important that you must improve your skill sets, improve your knowledge, and the responsibility lies with you. I mean, for all those people who are even working within the organization, I think this is high time when they must start upskilling themselves, because future is very uncertain. We do not know what's going to happen, and therefore we must work on our employability. So if suppose somebody is depending on the organization for their development, my request will be you need to work on your own development. So that is the first thing. The second thing what I'd like to share with you is that everybody tries to have this ladder movement, that if I am working as a first line, I want to move on to the second line, then to third line. But I think the time has come when you should start thinking on the lattice framework also, whereby maybe, I mean, instead of vying for that ladder advancement, you may move on to some other divisions, right, which are fulfilling, where your interest lies, and that will also give you another career option. Now, the only thing is, if that has to happen, you must know your interest areas. You must do the proper introspection. What are the areas where my interest lies, where my skill sets lies, and what are the areas where I can hone up my skills to be a better candidate? So that is also one thing which you must start doing this, right? Depending upon your interest area, work on the skill sets and try to improvise yourself. This is also the time, friends, when we should also try to forge relationships. See, networking is very, very important these days. There are plenty of candidates, which are there. Now, if you have got good networking within your organization, outside your organization, with your friends, etc., that will also give you an edge over others. So, I would say this is also the high time when, if you are not forging relationships, please start working on that and start building your relationships, which are going to be very very helpful. Also, along with this, you need to know yourself, explore yourself. What are the skill sets where I can work upon, and thereby I will be a better fit for any job. Also, you should also try to help others, because like you, there are so many other candidates also who are trying to get the job. Now, don't try to be in competition with everyone. You might be trying, say, a job which is more in marketing, say, and there's another person, he wants a job in sales. Maybe by helping him to get a job in sales, maybe he can also recommend yourself for some marketing job in case he comes across. So this is also the time when we should try to help each other, by way of which we will increase our chances of getting employment. So that's another thing which I would like you to share with. Lastly, how do you take the setbacks? See, it is possible that some setback has happened in your career, right? Somebody has told you that, look, maybe next month, or after 1 or 2 months, you are likely to lose out your job. Now, in that situation, there is a shock, there is a despair. My request will be, don't say anything. because chances are if you react, then you will spoil your reputation. Many a times the new person who is going to recruit you, he may seek the reference and opinion of your present HR manager or managers. So don't spoil your relationships. Come to terms, accept that, look, this is what has happened. Do the proper introspection, explore what are the possibilities which are there, work on the skill sets, and go for the job. So this is what I would like to suggest in this pandemic time. I wish you all the best, and on next Sunday I will come out with some other thoughts. Till then, be well, take good care of yourself. Take care.